How to fix Twitch error 1000 when trying to play a video. So if Twitch won't load a stream or video and you keep getting error 1000, there are a few simple fixes you can try on your device. First, open up the Twitch website in your browser. Now look beside the address bar and click on the small side icon. From the menu, choose Cookies and Site Data. Then click on Manage on-Device Site Data. Now what you need to do is to click the trash icon right here. So remove all of them one by one. Once done, tap on Done down here. After that, click the same side icon again. Now go to Site Settings. Inside here, look for anything related to store data, permissions, or data usage. So if Twitch has any save usage data or cache storage, clear it out completely. So click on Delete Data, then confirm the action. Sometimes Twitch error 1000 happens simply because corrupted website cache prevents the video player from loading correctly. Now you can then go back to Twitch, reload the page, and see if that solves your problem. If the error still shows up, the next fix is to refresh your network settings on Windows. So open your Start menu, then type CMD. Then you can right click on the command prompt and choose Run as Administrator, or you can just press Enter. Now, inside the black command window, you can type ipconfig space slash flush tns and then press Enter. After that, type netsh space winsock space reset and press Enter again. So these two commands clear all DNS records and reset network sockets, which can often solve streaming issues where Twitch cannot properly connect to the video servers. Once finished, you can then restart your computer. So click the Start menu and click the power button and tap on Restart. Then, once opened, you can then go back to Twitch and see if that works. If you're still getting Twitch error 1000, there's one more thing worth checking. So open OBS Studio and go into Settings down here. From the left side, click Output. So once you click Output, look at the video bitrate and make sure your video bitrate is not set too high. So a safe range is around 4,500 to 6,000 kilobytes per second. So if it is much higher than that, Twitch can sometimes struggle during playback or connection handshakes, especially on unstable internet. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.